Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to find the solution for laptop hinges problem. Laptop hinges problem. Laptop hinges means maybe the laptop hinges broken or laptop hinges tampered, right? Generally, how which is happening when you are using your laptop roughly or very old laptop, these things may happen. So how to solve this? How to solve this? How to find a solution for this problem? This is very easy to solve or sort out the problem. Before getting started into the problem, first we have to open the laptop and find the correct position to keep the laptop properly. So here I kept my laptop like this. I kept my laptop like this. So if I apply the glue, it will accept and make the laptop to get correct. See, after applying the glue, you have to wait at least 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours. Then only the glue will give the perfect results. So how to solve this? I am going to explain. Okay. For this, we need araldite. See, this is araldite. This also. See, when you go to the hardware shop, if you ask araldite, they will give these two pieces. Araldite. This also araldite. So what we are going to do? We are going to mix these two things. How to mix? I am going to explain. See, first take this one piece and add one small amount of araldite. Right? Then take another one, add one same amount. Then take one minus screwdriver, very small minus screwdriver. Mix these two paste. 30 seconds or 40 seconds. That is enough. 30 seconds to 40 seconds. After mixing this, we are going to apply. Before this, I am going to cover this surface because this is a screen. The araldite may get on this screen. So to avoid such a situations, I have applied or I kept some old cloth. See, I am going to, so using this minus, mix this glue properly. Okay, you mix like this. Yeah, 10 to 15 seconds, that is enough. After that, take the glue. So wherever you want to apply, so please apply. Like this you have to. Wherever the gap is available, you have to apply. But when you are applying this glue, the edges and all should not get the glue. See, if it gets glue, when you try to open this cover, it won't get fixed properly. It will get bulge or projected. So take this glue. Wherever gap is there, apply this. Wherever gap is there, apply this. Right? But this is the correct position. This hinges is in correct position. You need not apply for this area. This is in perfect angle. I am going to apply this section. I am going to apply in this section. Right? Okay. So you have to slowly apply this. Okay. After applying, you have to wait 24 to 48 hours. After 24 to 48 hours, you have to close the laptop. then you start to use the laptop. That too, initially, you should not roughly open and close the laptop. You should not roughly open and close the laptop. Gently, you have to open and close the laptop. After 3 or 4 days, then you have to start to the normal mode. You have to start as a normal mode. But this interval, opening and closing interval, you have to reduce the number of times. After mending this, after solving this pitches problem, number of opening and closing have to reduce per day. So previously, when you bought this laptop, every day you may use at least 10 to 15 times. Means now you have to open at least 3 to 4 times only. Then only the hinges will support you. Then only the hinges will support you. Otherwise, it will get break. Okay. So this is very important. If you are the service engineer, if you are handovering to your customer, you have to inform, sir, please reduce the usage per day, opening and closing, number of times should be less. Okay. So this is the way to solve the hinges problem. The hinges problem may differ from laptop to laptop. So you have to apply your knowledge and do the process. Okay, this is very important. But this is hinges which is same for all laptop. So this method which is applicable for all laptop, either it is HP, Samsung, Toshiba or Dell or any laptop which is applicable. Okay, this is the way to solve the hinges problem. Okay, please apply this method and enjoy it yourself. Have a nice day. Please, if you like this video, put like, share my videos to your friends and relatives, because the hinges and all same for all laptop, which is applicable for all laptops. Okay, right? And subscribe my channel, because every day I am releasing new video regarding printer service, laptop service and desktop service. That may be useful for you and your friends and relatives. Okay, so if you subscribe, you can get immediate updates. Every day you can get immediate updates. Meanwhile, if you have any new problem, please specify in comment. Seeing that comment, I can release new video that may be helpful to you to solve your current problem. Have a nice day. We'll see in some other problem with the solution. Have a nice day. Right?